I've got a really good friend by the name of Will. Do you know how I know he's a really good friend? Because he gave me a bottle of scotch. Not just any bottle of scotch. A lot of people give away scotch or whiskey or something. No, he gave me this bottle of scotch. And this bottle of scotch is like 70 years old. And I had a lot of fun dating the bottle, and I thought I'd show it to you. Now, to be clear, I know scotch doesn't age in the bottle. Once it comes out of the cask and gets bottled, it stays just the same. But this was a lot of fun. You look at the box, and I grew up in the 50s and 60s, and I immediately recognized this box. Just the style and everything is kind of being like 60s. And still has the packaging in it, but it's a half gallon. And it came in this decanter. I thought that was pretty cool. And on the front here, it says U.S. Navy Mess. So this was from the officers' mess. At some point, this belonged to the U.S. government. I'll show you how I dated it. For one thing, on the bottom of this stand, it says, let me turn it over, I gotta read it again. It says, made in England, 16th of August, 1974. That's when the stand was made, but the bottle is actually older than that. There were several ways I was able to date this. For one, it says 1/2 gallon, and it doesn't mention milliliters. Starting in 1970, they had to put milliliters as well as the imperial weights on or capacities on the bottle. And that meant that this was bottled before 1970. Another thing is, there is no embossed lettering on the bottle. Like this is embossed on the bottom and it says made in Scotland, but there's no lettering on the bottle that says illegal to refill. And that was required from like 1932 to 1964. So that means this was bottled 1965 to 1969. Pretty cool. One more thing was the label on top also helped out. It says U.S. Internal Revenue and doesn't mention the ATF like they do nowadays. And also there's an eagle up here with a little number by the side, says 112. And I found out that that tax stamp was only used until 1972. So I was able to determine that this was bottled 1965 to 1969. And that meant that it was put in the cask or put in the barrel about 1953 to 1957, because it's 12-year-old scotch. This was made when I was a little boy. Pretty cool. And what am I going to do with it? Well, I love scotch. I'm going to drink it. For all these years, it was stored in the box and in a closet, so it didn't see any light or anything. And you can see by the level of the whiskey in the bottle that it hasn't deteriorated from air. It's still at its normal level for being a full bottle. This should taste exactly like it did the day it was put in the bottle. We'll see. Yeah, it smells exactly the same. Oh yeah, it's all there. That's delicious. Thanks, Will. I don't know why you don't like scotch. This is delicious. Thank you very much. Hey, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This was just for fun. You know, Will brought this over last week, and I just had to show it to you. I had so much fun dating the bottle and everything. Ooh, this is delicious. Yeah, it's good. Hey, see you around.